The world around us is alive. Every sound, every connection matters. This is more than just technology. It's a bond. The world around us is alive. Every sound, every connection matters.
Hello friends, welcome back to Rare Tutor. Today, we're testing new model called WAN Animate, a unified framework for character animation and replacement. With just a character image and a reference video, it can animate your character, accurately replicating expressions and movements with high fidelity. It can also seamlessly replace characters in videos, matching lighting and color so the character feels naturally part of the scene. Built on the WAN model, it uses skeleton signals for body motion and implicit facial features for expressions, delivering expressive and controllable performances. An auxiliary relighting LoRa ensures consistent appearance while adapting to scene lighting. Please check the model usage terms on the official page. Please check the official link in the description. I am generating a video using 16 fps with a width of 960 and a height of 528. Here, you can mention the frames generated in one window. This is not the total frames generated. Here you can mention the total frames or total length of the video needs to be generated.
Technology. It's a bond. The world around us
I am generating a video of 81 frames in one window. That means the window
is
size frames and total frames are same, that is 81 frames. Here, load your reference image. Choose a high-resolution reference image to get high-quality video output. Your image will be resized, so you need not to worry about the reference image resolution size. Image will resized as per video resolution. But if you need, you can manually feed the image resolution size by disconnecting these two nodes. It's better to use key proportion as pad edge pixel, but you can also use other options like crop resize, etc.
the world around us is alive. Every sound, the world
This point editor node enables you to mask the area that you want to swap and block the area that you want to keep as it is. Shift plus mouse right click to create green points and Shift plus mouse left click to create red points. Here, you see the preview of the masked and unmasked area of the video. SAM segmentation model will be auto-downloaded. Set Keep model loaded option to false so it's automatically unloaded. Grow mask expand node. You can change depends upon your requirement. Blockify mask creates the pixel kind of blocks around the mask. This node creates the pose images from your control video. These nodes extract face images for final process. So there are total 5 inputs that we can provide for the final process. First, we need to create the mask using the point editor node. For that, we need to disable the other groups except background masking. First, run and check the mask with default settings. It's only masked the mouth. Use the Shift plus mouse right click to create green points, and Shift plus mouse left click to create red points. Look at the mask. It's not fully covered the reference character face. My reference image character have large ears, so I'm using block size of 64 so that it will cover my entire character properly. You can also load reference image manually by right-clicking on the node. Make sure you have disconnected the first frame from the control video. Otherwise, your loaded image will be replaced by control video. And clear the mask points using new canvas option. This node says, work in progress, so all features may not work properly. Now enable all the groups in the workflow. This is 2-in-1 model loader. You can select Safetensor or GGUF model in the same node. Select WAN Animate Q5KS GGUF model. Quantization is disabled. Select Attention mode as Sage Attention. Load the WAN BAE here. In Model Loader, select WAN Animate Relight LoRa and strength is 1.0. Select Light X2V Image to Video Rank 64 LoRa and strength is 1.0. Select WAN Lightning Image to Video High LoRa and strength is 0.25. And finally WAN Lightning Image to Video Low LoRa and strength is 0.25. Load the Clip Vision H model here. Select the MKL option in color match. All 5 input for the animate process will be previewed here. Load the UMP5 text encoder here. Okay, let's hit the run button.
Every connection matters. The world around us is alive. Every sound, every connection matters. The world around us is alive. Sound, every connection matters. The world around us is alive. Every sound, every connection matters. The world around
Previously, I have generated 5 seconds video, but this clip is originally 10 seconds. Now, I am not adding any frame cap limit for the control video. Now, I am disconnecting 2 nodes for background images and mask, so full reference image animated without any background mask. Okay, let's hit the run button.
us is alive. Every sound, every connection matters. This is more than just technology. It's a bond.
I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Please comment your opinion in the comment section below. If you like my effort, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Meet you in the next video.